Before you relax, listen carefully. This session is not about fixing your life or becoming someone new. It is about resetting everything silently, without effort, without struggle, without reliving the past. You don't need to believe in anything. You don't need to visualize perfectly. You don't need to try. All you need to do is stay here and let your subconscious do what it already knows how to do. And as you listen now, your nervous system is already responding because the reset has already begun. Now, take a slow breath in and allow yourself to drift. Take a deep breath in again and gently exhale. Another slow breath in, and as you breathe out, feel your body beginning to soften, as if the weight of the day is slowly melting away. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go, only this moment and the sound of my voice. With every breath, your awareness turns inward, like gently closing a door to the outside world and opening a doorway within. Allow your eyes to close now, or if they are already closed, allow them to sink deeper into rest. Notice the muscles of your forehead softening, your jaws unclenching, your shoulders drooping, as if gravity itself is holding you safely. Each word you hear now guides you deeper and deeper into a calm, receptive state. Imagine now that you are standing at the top of a long, gently glowing staircase. There are 10 steps, each one leading you deeper into your subconscious mind. The place where change happens effortlessly. With every number I count, you step down and double your relaxation. 10. Stepping down, your body becoming heavier, yet your mind becoming clearer. 9. Drifting deeper. 8. As if your thoughts are dissolving, like mist in the morning sun. 7. Halfway now, safe, supported, guided. 6. Your subconscious mind opening, like fertile soil ready for new seeds. 5. Deep, calm, centered. 4. You are breathing slow. Your awareness expansive. 3. Time beginning to lose meaning. 2. Almost there. 1. Deep, deep trance. Now imagine before you a vast open space. This space represents your entire life until now. Every belief, every memory, every emotional pattern, every identity you have carried. You are not inside it anymore. You are observing it from a higher level. Notice that everything you no longer need has a soft, neutral color. No emotion, no charge. Old fears, old limitations, old versions of you, beliefs that once protected you, but now they are no longer needed. They begin to gently dissolve, not forcefully, not dramatically, just fading as if they were never truly part of you. You are not losing anything important. You are recovering your original self. Say silently or aloud if you wish. I now release every outdated identity. I now release every outdated identity. I release survival patterns. I release survival patterns. I release emotional weight. I release emotional weight. I allow a total reset. I allow a total reset. And feel the relief, as if your nervous system itself exhales. Now, imagine a gentle wave of light moving through your body, starting at the crown of your head, flowing slowly downward, clearing mental noise, clearing emotional residue, clearing subconscious clutter. This light is intelligent. It knows exactly what to release. As it moves through your mind, old inner dialogues quiet down. You are no longer trying to become someone else. You are remembering who you are. Now, your subconscious mind becomes highly receptive. And in this state, these truths are accepted effortlessly. I am safe to expand. I am safe to expand. I am safe to receive. I am safe to receive. My life responds to my inner state. My life responds to my inner state. I am no longer defined by my past. I am no longer defined by my past. I choose alignment over struggle. I choose alignment over struggle. I allow life to work for me. I allow life to work for me. Each statement settles deep, like roots anchoring into rich soil. Now imagine yourself 6 months from now, not forcing an image, just allowing it to form naturally. Notice how this version of you stands, how they breathe, how they move through life. This is the you who has already reset. This version thinks clearly, responds calmly, attracts opportunities effortlessly, trusts life deeply, moves with quiet confidence. You don't need to copy them. You simply merge with them. Feel their energy gently blending into you. Their certainty becoming yours. Their calm becoming natural to you. Say inward, "This is who I am now. This is who I am now." And notice how natural it feels. From this new identity, manifestation becomes automatic. You no longer chase outcomes. You embody alignment. Imagine now doors opening without struggle, right timing revealing itself, people responding positively, resources flowing naturally. You don't visualize effort, you visualize ease. Your subconscious understands what I am is what I experience. And so, from now on, your inner world leads you and your outer world. Now, rest. Allow the changes to integrate. Your subconscious continues working long after this session ends. Every night, every breath, every moment of awareness, the reset is permanent. In a moment, I will count back, not waking you abruptly, but gently returning, bringing clarity, calm, and grounded presence. 5. Awareness returning. 4. Energy stabilizing. 3. Body gently awakening. 2. Breath deepening. And 1. Eyes open when ready. You now return, reset, renewed, realigned. Your life has reset at the deepest level. Reality will now rearrange itself to match you.